Hello friends, now here is the expression to simplify step-by-step solution by using BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for of we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first step, solve the innermost parenthesis. Now the small parenthesis is 72 divided by 8. Now calculate the division inside it. 72 divided by 8 will get 9. According to this step, BODMAS says bracket must be simplified first and starting from the innermost layer, which is a small brackets. And now the current expression becomes 5 square plus curly braces 9 and then minus root cube root 64 and multiplied by 2. Move to the next step. According to the next step, remove the curly braces. Now curly braces is 9. So now remove the curly braces. So in this step, curly braces should be removed and just write it down 9 as it is. According to this step, there is no other operations left inside the curly braces. So they can be removed. And now the current expression becomes 5 square minus plus 9 minus cube root 64 and then square bracket of multiplied by 2. Move to the next step. According to the next step, evaluate orders, powers and roots. Now calculate the exponent 5 square and cube root 64 inside the square brackets. Now first we calculate 5 square, which is 25, and cube root of 64 will get answer 4. Since we know that 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 will get 64. So now according to this step, after the brackets, O in BODMAS stands for order, exponents and roots, which take the priority over the addition and subtraction. So now the current expression becomes 25 plus 9 minus 4 multiplied by 2. Move to the next step. So according to the next step, solve the addition inside the square brackets. Now there is a addition and subtraction. Now first we add inside the bracket. Now 25 plus 9 is equals to 34. According to this step, we must completely simplify the remaining operations inside the outermost brackets from left to right. So now addition comes before subtraction and the current expression becomes 34 minus 4 multiplied by 2. Move to the next step, solve the subtraction to clear the square brackets. Now 34 minus 4 equals to 30. According to this step, this completes the final operation inside the bracket, allowing us to remove it entirely. And now the current expression becomes 30 multiplied by 2. Now finally multiply 30 multiplied by 2 will get 60 as a final result. And according to this step, this is the last remaining arithmetic operation outside the bracket. According to this expression, the conclusion is by systematically applying the BODMAS rule layer by layer, resolving the nested bracket first, evaluating the powers and roots, completed the bracketed operation and performing the final multiplication. So the expression simplifies down clearly to 60. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.